Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Intan. Now I want to explain about word business, especially word contract. The first is first party. In English, there is the term first party. First party refers to in this context does not mean the first party, but the first party commonly used in the agreement letter of a contract that occurs between two people. From the above piece of letter, the first party is the person who give wage or give work. Number 2, second party. Beside first party, there is also the term second party. This phrase has the meaning of a second party, which is a person who is given wage or someone who works in a company. Number 3, employer. Just like first party, the employer is the first person to hire employees in a company. Employers also have a duty to provide wage to their workers. Number 4, employee. In contract to an employee in a person who is employed and his services are taken to work in a company or industry. Employee will be working in a company are also called employee. Number 5, resign. Resign means resigning or stopping work from a company. Resign can be done on their own volition or because of certain company policy. And next, perks. In economic terms in English, perks has the meaning of benefit. Benefit can be interpreted as any additional benefit offered by works such as free lunch, health service, company vehicle use, and others. And next, terms and condition. You need to remember these terms and condition cannot be interpreted separately. Terms and condition are a unity, which means the terms and condition. In this context, what is meant by terms and condition is a binding contracts between user and provider. Next, in such a case, has meaning in circumstance, functioning as an explanation of an action that will or has occurred in specified work period. If violate, the perpetrators can be sanctioned according to the terms and conditions in the contract of work. Next, subject. The subject referred to here does not mean a subject like you learn in school. Subject in the context of formal letters are the people involved in the contract agreement. Next, client. People who use the service of a professional or organization such as a lawyer or bank. Next, company. A group of people or other bodies whose activities carry out production and distribution to meet the economic needs of humans. Next, deal. Agree with what will be done. And benefit, the benefit of doing something. And next, agreement, a profile of a job or an agreement. Next, agenda, schedule or note used to remember something important. Next, deadline, grace period for working on something or doing something. And next, the director, the person who leads a company. And next, dividend, distribution or profit to shareholder based on the number of shares held. Next, job, the task of what the work must do. Next, signature, identify marks written on the document as proof of identify. And the last, meeting. Meetings are conducted by people who work in a company or office. After that, I want to explain about conversation about contract. The first, signature. Sarah, good morning, sir. Bimo, morning, can I help you? Sarah, I would like to ask for your signature for the contract of cooperation with PT Sinarmas. Bimo, okay, I'll sign. Hopefully our cooperation can go well. Sarah, yes sir, thank you. Bimo, you're welcome. And the second, agenda. Bimo, in my day, what agenda do I have? Sarah, today there is a meeting with PT Sinarmas to discuss the matter of cooperation that we will work on. Bimo, is that the only agenda for me today? Sarah, yes sir, that's all. Bimo, what times will the meeting be held? Sarah, the meeting will be held at 1 o'clock, sir. Bimo, okay, thank you. Sarah, you're welcome, sir. And the third, deadline. Bimo, Sarah, when will our contract deadline with Jaya Company end? Sarah, next month, sir. Will the contract be extended, sir? Bimo, yes, the contract must be extended because the cooperation with Jaya is very profitable. So prepare the contract extension. Sarah, well sir, I will prepare. So that's it, my explanation about work contract. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.